Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a makeup haul. So as you can see from my past video, if you haven't already seen it, I was makeup shopping online. So I was originally just going to order makeup from Beauty Bay, but I ended up getting some stuff from Morphe's website as well. I spent just over £150 I think on some new makeup. I wanted to try, there was a lot of makeup I wanted to try out. I've run out of primers, so I wanted to buy a couple more primers, and I've bought all stuff that, you know, from brands I've never tried before, some new makeup palettes and stuff like that. So I wanted to do a big haul with you as a follow-up video from my actual shopping online to see what it looks like in real life, and then I'm going to do some separate videos on reviews of some of the palettes, the mascara that I bought and things like that. So if you want to see what I bought in my makeup haul, then carry on watching. So we'll go with Beauty Bay first, because I have admittedly have a little peek through the box, just because it's been here for over a week now and I want to see what I've got. How can you sit there for a week and not be able to use any of the makeup that you've bought? I was a bit gutted that the Morphe box took way longer, but obviously with self-isolation and everything, I completely understand why it took so long, so there's no problem there. But I haven't even opened that box because it's literally just come in the post about 10 minutes ago, so I'm really excited to open it. So here's the Beauty Bay box, and it's big and it's got packaging like this. I love this packaging where it just opens up and it's purple. So let's see what we've got inside. Oh, I've got no room on this desk. First, oh, my favourite. Okay, my favourite one first. God, look how dusty it is. It's so dusty just been sitting there. Is this Me, Myself and Mama Mitchell palette with Beauty Bay. So I've seen it online and I really wanted it as soon as I seen it. It was, as you'll see on the video that I've previously uploaded, if you watch that. If not, there's no problem. So this one I was so excited for because it's a really colourful palette. It looks like you can create so many looks with it, and it's quite a unique palette because it's like double-sided. So let's have a look. I haven't actually opened it up yet, so this will be exciting to see. So, ooh, this is cool. I didn't actually look at the packaging online. I just ordered it because of the inside. That's actually really cool. So I'm sure this is like all things to do with him, but I'm not sure. Well, this is the Manchester Bee for sure, but I'm not sure about anything else, but I'm sure it has a good meaning to him. So this is the front of the packaging and here is the back. So it's kind of like a holographic packaging and it's very colourful, which probably represents inside. So here is the inside. Oh, the mirror comes out. So it's a double-sided mirror that comes out. That's so cool. And it's like magnetic as well. They've put so much time into this palette, which I really like. So here are like some reddy tones. We've got some like a strip here of some shimmers, and then we've got again some like shimmers over here, and we've got some, they're very matte, but we've got some like darker colours. We've got bright green, bright purple, bright blue. And we've got some nice pink shades, so I'm really excited about this because I feel like I'm very inspired just looking at it. I can create quite a lot of looks with this, so I will do a video on this palette for sure, so that you guys, so I can do like a first impressions and you guys can see what it's like for yourself. So there's that one. So the next one is another eyeshadow palette that I ordered, which is this one. I never heard of it before. It's the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette. So I just thought it was really very colourful, and that's what I kind of wanted because I create more colourful looks on my like Instagram and stuff rather than just plain bronzy looks. So I wanted another colourful palette, and this one seemed perfect. I love the packaging. It's like a mint green kind of colour, and it's got all these different symbols around it, and this is it inside. Oh, I love it. So we've got like purples and pinks along this side, and we've got orange, yellows and reds. So it's basically got every colour in here. You can kind of already see the colours, so there's no point in me saying it, but I just feel like I could create a lot of makeup looks with this because there's so many different colours. It's basically got every colour you need to create a makeup look basically. So this is a really nice palette and I'm really excited to try this. I might do a tutorial on that palette as well actually, just so that you guys can see that palette as well. So next, what should we take out? So here we are. So we've got Living My Best Light. This is the Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow Trio. So I was on and off about getting this because I was just not sure. Obviously, I've never seen anybody use these before, like in a video or anything online. So I was excited to try them. They're kind of, I guess, a dupe for like the Stila ones, which are very expensive. So these were way more affordable, and this come in a trio. This is actually Beauty Bay's brand, and it comes like this. So it's got the Beauty Bay iridescent kind of logo, and then we've got 3 here. I actually love these. They look so good. They're like shimmers. I didn't like that these two were so similar, but you can see now that this one is much darker than this one. So I've got the shades Rutile, Moonstone and Precious Topaz. So let me just have a little test because I'm literally itching to try this. Whoa, that looks so nice. I can't wait to use this actually. So I don't know if it picks up on camera very well, but it's so shimmery. That looks so nice. I'm really excited to create a makeup look with that. I might even do a video on this as well, you know, because why not? If you guys want to, you know, buy these products but you're not sure if they're any good or not, I'm happy to test them out and let you know. So I bought that. Another thing I got, which I was actually wanted for quite a while, is this Makeup Revolution Glass Glow Fix. I mean, I haven't wanted it for a while because it's quite new, but I've seen it, I've seen someone else review it on Instagram and I really wanted to try it. It says Ultimate Glow Dewy Fix and Spray, and I kind of needed some new setting spray anyway, so I'm excited to try this and see how it works. I bought this RCMA powder. This is just the no colour powder. This is really good for baking your skin and all over really, but I have had about 4 tubs of this now, 3 or 4, and I just keep running out. So this is basically just like a little repurchase. But I really like this powder. This is like my go-to powder, and I haven't repurchased it in so long, which is why I thought, no, treat yourself, go buy some. So I'm excited to use that again because it's been a while. So next is this mascara. So I'm going to do a whole video just on this mascara because I think I was a bit dubious on the website. It's a Wet n Wild mascara and it's a Mega Protein one. I have had a look recently and it is sold out. I don't know if they're coming back in stock or not, but this was £2.50 and I could not believe how cheap it was. And I was looking for a mascara and I thought, do I get it? It's £2.50, it may not be any good, but then I thought I can do a review on it and let you guys know if it's worth it. I mean, £2.50 it's no problem just to add it in the basket. It makes basically no difference. And I have already tried this one. I will be honest, this is the only thing I've used because I wanted to get the video done, and you will have to wait for my video to see the review. So next I've got this palette. So this is the Makeup Revolution and Soap highlighter palette. I've wanted this for literally ever. It's been out for so long now and I've wanted it for so long, but I've just never bought it and I don't know why. I think it's because I don't know if it'll be any good or not, but I love her videos and I've been like binge watching them through self-isolation. I love her videos. I think she's so like relatable and she's just so natural and she doesn't like, I just enjoy watching her. So I thought I'd buy her palette. I love this one. And also, for some reason, I said it on my last video, I think, you can get like your hauls on Beauty Bay, and it said that I already had this, but I didn't have it, so I don't know why that said that I'd already bought it before. Maybe I did, I don't know, but I've wanted it for so long. So I'm really excited to try this as well. I'm sure that will come up in the tutorial soon. And the last 2 products from Beauty Bay are both primers because I needed a new primer, so I thought I'd get 2 affordable ones. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer and it's a matte one, so I'm excited to try this one. I don't usually wear primers that often. I usually use moisturiser just because obviously it's more moisturising for your skin, more hydrating, but I will start using these and just trying them out. So I'm excited to try this one, and the other one that I bought was from The Ordinary, and this is the High Adherence silicone primer. I like a silicone primer, I do like them. Oh, it says blurring surface smoother and primer, so I'm excited to try this one. Let's take it out of the box and just see what it looks like. So it looks like this, and I have tried this brand before, but I've only tried their foundations, so I'm excited to try these because the foundation is actually really nice and the packaging was quite small, but I think I've got some here. Yeah, so I've got their foundation here, and the packaging's really small, but it's really high coverage, and I really like this foundation. So it'll be good to see what the primer's like. So that's everything from Beauty Bay. So now we'll move on to Morphe. And like I said, I haven't even opened the box yet because it's just arrived. So I can't even remember what I ordered. I think it was only 3 items in the end that I actually ordered from them. Oh yay, I remember. So I've never actually ordered from their actual website. They used to be on Beauty Bay, but they're not anymore for some reason, so I've never actually ordered from their website before. But basically it's just their normal packaging, their logo, I mean. Ooh. So I bought this Kiss List lip collection. So it's a 6-piece lip collection, and it's got 3 liquid lipsticks and 3 glosses. So I just thought this was really nice. It's like a nude collection. I love the packaging. I didn't see that online. They don't show you anything like that, but it says VIPs coming through from high shine lip glosses to matte liquid lipsticks. These best-selling babes go all pout with popular hues that are faves for a reason. So these are the faves ones, I think. So yeah, this is the nudes collection. So I'll just open it up and have a look. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is what they look like. So they're quite small, but I really like the colours of them, and they're all nudies, so I'm excited to try these. I might do a video on them as well. I'm not sure. We'll have to keep an eye out for them, but I love the packaging. I'm really excited about this. So next I bought the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Mist. So it's another setting spray, but I've just seen everybody use this, so I wanted to try it. It just says hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from the face, and it's just like a continuous mist. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. It's basically just like this, and it's like a continuous mist, and I'm excited to try this, so that'll be exciting. And the last product that I bought is the James Charles palette. It's been out forever, I'm sure, but this is the mini palette. I didn't really want to spend the money on the big one when you can just get it in a mini version. And you know, I've seen everybody use this, so I already know that it's had so many good reviews, which is why I was happy to buy it. Let's take it out of the packaging. So it's just like this, black with his logo, with his name, sorry. And then here are all the colours. So again, it's kind of inspiring, like, looking at that, because there's so many colours in there that you can create a look with. So I'm excited to try that, and I might do a whole video on this one. I'm not sure. It's kind of old, so I don't know if it's very relevant to do a video on it, but I might do. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see like a video on these palettes or not. Let me know, and I can definitely make that happen. So that is everything. I'm gonna, like I said, make a few separate videos reviewing some of these products so that you can see the full process from buying the products to receiving them, seeing what they look like in real life, to actually trying them out. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for notifications for when I upload new videos in the future. And if you have any of these products or anything, put down below what you think of them in the comment section, and let me know how they worked for you, if any of them are your go-tos or anything, and I shall see you in the next one.